everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Paramjeet and I'm back with another video for you. Most of us have grown out our haircut during this lockdown and it is a challenge to style your hair when it is grown out and you cannot wear it open. I too had got a haircut along with bangs before the lockdown, which has grown out now. So I thought of sharing some of my tips about how I style my grown out bangs, which you can try for your front hair. Before I begin styling the bangs, I apply a L'Oreal Volume Lift Mousse in the bang area to give a little volume to the hair so the style holds well. If I am leaving my hair open whenever I have the time, I also like to soft curl my hair with a flat iron. You can iron, curl your hair or leave them open as it is as per your choice. The first style is a rope braid. We begin with a side parting which has to be a little deeper than your usual parting. Take a zigzag parting to avoid a straight parting look. Leaving about 3 inches from the hairline, start a new parting which is like a C shape in horizontal direction. Separate the hair and clip it out of the way on the opposite side. This leaves us with our working area, which will include your bangs and some additional hair. From the inner corner of the parting, take a triangle-shaped hair section. Divide this into 2 separate strands. Twist the strands inwards a few times. Take one strand on top of the other and do it twice to start the rope braid. After rotating them twice, take a small 1 cm thick section in slant direction from the front and add to one strand. Rotate once. Then add another 1 cm section from the front into the second strand and rotate. Keep adding sections into the strands alternatively. After adding about 4 sections, lightly pinch out the added sections to loosen the hair, creating volume in the front. Remember to keep the braid close to the parting. Keep adding sections and pinching till the arch of the eyebrow. Then keep rotating the strands without adding further sections. Take the braid around the back and clip it below the section which has been clipped away, using tic tacs or hairpins. Remove the clip from the first section and cover the tic tacs to complete the hairstyle. In the second style, we again do a deeper zigzag parting. Take a C-shaped horizontal parting 3 inches from the hairline and clip it out of the way. Take a triangle-shaped section from the inner corner of the front section, divide it into 3 strands. Take any one of the outer strands and bring it over the middle strand into the center and take the middle strand out. Now do the same thing with the strand on the other side. Take a 1 cm slant section from the front section and add it into the outermost strand every time you take it to the center. Do not add any section on the other side. Remember to keep the braid close to the parting. This becomes a modified French braid. After adding 4 to 5 sections, pinch each section lightly to loosen the hair, adding volume, or else it will look flat. Continue adding sections and pinching them till the arch of the eyebrow. After this, continue with a regular braid without adding any more hair sections. Take the braid around towards the back and fix it under with tic tacs or hairpins. Remove the clip from the crown hair section and cover the clips for a neat and finished look. we again do a deeper zigzag parting. Take a C-shaped horizontal parting 3 inches from the hairline and clip it out of the way. Take a triangle-shaped section from the inner corner of the front section and divide it into 3 strands. We begin braiding similar to French braid, just that here we will take the outer strand under the middle strand. Then take the outer strand on the other side and take it under the middle strand again. Take a 1 cm slant section from the front hair and add it into the outer strand and take it under the middle strand. Do not add any hair in the inner side of the braid. Keep adding sections on the outer strand of the braid. Remember to keep the braid close to the parting. After 4 to 5 sections have been added, lightly pinch on the braid to give it a more fuller and broad look. Continue adding sections and pinching the braid till the arch of the eyebrow, after which continue with the Dutch braid without adding any more hair. Take the braid around towards the back and fix it under the clipped away section. Remove the clip from the back section and cover the tic tacs for a neat look. Finish it with a setting spray. And those were the 3 ways in which I style my grown out bangs. Let me know which style did you find most useful. Please like and share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Until then, bye bye.